The unrelenting activities of these elements, manifesting in banditry, kidnapping, and other forms of criminality, have been a setback to the progress and development of the nation. Trillions of naira, which were being used for development, are being wasted in fighting insurgency and criminality. For Ndi Imo, the 61 independence anniversary is a clarion call to move closer as a people in the pursuit of our common goal, which is to make Imo State better for our future generations. It is important to emphasize that the best preventive measure is through vaccination. The state government has received and procured sufficient vaccines for our people. Sadly, however, many are still refusing to take the vaccine because some unfounded superstitious beliefs are what is driving them. Consequently, no one has any further reason to be afraid of taking the vaccine. In this respect, if the foot dragging continues, government might be forced to make the vaccine compulsory for all Imo people and residents.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.